Good morning, girls. Girls, today I will teach you the exercise 2.5, which is based on the algebraic identities. Yesterday I taught you identities, and today we are going to begin the exercise 2.5. Quickly we'll revise those identities and then we'll start with the questions. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then a minus b the whole cube. I taught you x minus y the whole cube or x plus y the whole cube. I will write here a minus b or a plus b. Both are correct. So we write a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Then a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Then a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Then x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Then x plus y plus z the whole cube the whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. I can replace x plus y plus z by a plus b plus c, and I can write or a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc and plus 2ca. So these are the total identities which we are going to use in the exercise 2.5. Okay, so let's begin with the question. Question number 1. Using the suitable identities, find the following product. Now they are not telling you that which identity you have to use. You have to use your common sense and apply the identity. Like the first one, it says x plus 4 and x plus 10. Yeah, so you can think over which identity will be applied here. It will be x plus a and x plus b. As you know that x plus a and x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. This you have learned in your previous class. So x plus a into x plus b, which we will tally with this question. So here x is equal to x, right? A is equal to 4 and b is equal to 10. So as we take these values, we will substitute in the given expansion on the right side. So we write x plus 4 into x plus 10 is equal to x square plus 4 plus 10 into x plus 4 into 10. If you have learnt the identities, you will understand this sum quickly. So next, x square plus 10 plus 4 is 14x plus 40. So this is the answer for x plus 4 and x plus 10. So the identity which we use here is x plus a into x plus b, x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Okay, so this is your question number 1, and there are total 5 questions. So I will take up one question. I will take up with the minus signs. Okay, so I will write the same identity will be same, these values will change, and the question which I will take up now is x plus 8 and x minus 10. As you can see here that identity question is in this identity form, but x, a and b values we will look from the question. So we write here x is equal to x, a is equal to 8, right, and b is equal to minus 10. What we can do is we can write the question in x plus 8 and x plus minus 10. In this form we will write and then we use the identity. Okay, so I hope you've understood. Because we have the identity x plus a and x plus b, so we will write the question also in this form, and I will now write x minus 10 as x plus minus 10, and therefore I get the value of b as minus 10. We now proceed. X plus 8 into x minus 10 is equal to x square plus a plus b. For a I write 8 plus minus 10 and x, and here I write plus 8 into minus 10. So you have to be very careful with the sign, and therefore we write x square. 8 minus 10 will give you minus 2. Minus 2 into x will give you minus 2x, and minus 10 8s are 80. So the answer for x plus 8 and x minus 10 will be equal to x square minus 2x minus 80 because of the negative sign over here. We change the format of the question. Okay, so I hope this question is clear to you. So suppose you have any question with the minus sign, you will change it in this form and then proceed with the identity. Okay, so if there is a question in the, suppose both are negative, we can have a question like, it's not given in the book, if I take up like x minus 8 and x minus 3. So we can write this as, to follow the identity, we can write x plus minus 8 and x plus minus 3, and then we can proceed with x plus a and x plus b and follow the same steps as I showed you just now. Okay, so this is question number 1. So I hope you have understood which identity to apply here. They have not mentioned which identity. Now question number 2. Question 2 says, evaluate the following by using identity without multiplying directly. So if there is a question 103 into 107, can you recall that these type of sums you've done in your previous class also? So we can write 103 as 100 plus 3 and 100 plus 7. So again we can see that we have to follow the identity x plus a, x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. How will you understand which identity is this? Because you have to just recall all the identities, a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square, then a square minus b square, then cube identities. So you will see that for this particular question we have to use the given identity, and therefore here x is equal to 100, a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 7. So therefore we write 100 square plus 3 plus 7 into 100, yes, and plus 3 into 7. So in place of x and a and b, we have replaced all these values. 100 square means 10,000. 3 plus 7 will be 10. 10 into 100 is 1000 and plus 21. So when we add, we get 10,000 plus 1000 plus 21. So we can write 1, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 0, 1, 1, 0. So the answer is 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1. So therefore, this is how we use the given identity with the question 103 into 107. So as I told you that if there is a negative sign, you have to follow the correct sign and then proceed with the identity. So I hope you will be able to understand even question number 2, because these type of sums you have done in your previous class also, right? Now, so question number 1 and 2 you will complete in your notebook, and we have question 3. Question 3 says 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. Now they are saying to write, factorize, you have to find out the factors of this and which identity suits for this question. You have to look for all the identities. Is it a plus b the whole square, or a minus b the whole square, or a minus b the whole cube? Now as you can see that all the terms are positive, and this is a square of 3 and this is a square of y. So we can use the first identity, that is a plus b the whole square. So a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now the question is given in this form, not in this form. We have to factorize it and write it in the identity form. So what we'll do? We will write 3x the whole square, then plus, here I write y square, and here I break up and write 2 into 3x into y. So when we come to the identity format, we write 3x plus y the whole square, and the factors are 3x plus y and 3x plus y. So these are the two factors of this given question. Okay, so you will follow the identities given in question number 1, 2 and 3, and you will complete these 3 questions, and I will make one more video to explain some more questions of the same exercise. Okay, till that time you complete this work. Okay, thank you.